In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to a template or snippet in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into the Conversations tab by going to the CRM, and you should be able to find them right here, either under the inbox or message templates. Let's choose message templates right here. Now from in there, you can head over right here into your settings as well, and then head over right here into the email tab for the configuration as well as the personalization right here. Click on personalization and you can edit your defaults either on the contact, company, or owner property. For this case, let's choose and edit defaults on the contact. You can head over and add right here the contact property that you want. I'll choose all teams and let's input right here the value. Let's me input all teams and then head over and save that change. Now you can just place your cursor onto the actual item that you want to add that personalization token with. And then once you're in there, you should be good to go. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.